with rabbit in a hole. Next thing I would like to do is make a couple mountains. So let's pick a couple of triangles here and start creating some mountains. Mountains are really easy to create. Uh, what I would do is start with a triangle. Find a color hue you like to work within. For this set of mountains, I'm going to pick purple mountains. So there's a purple mountain, duplicate a couple times. All I'm going to do is make a couple of my mountains slightly different shades of the same hue. And it's okay to have some that are the same color. Now what I want to do is kind of group the mountains, some big, some smaller, and just kind of overlap them. And it should kind of give you an impression of many different sized mountains kind of grouped off in the distance. Once you kind of have a group of mountains, make sure to group them. So click all your separate objects with the command tool or the shift and click, and then go up to arrange and group. Now, an easy way to have a lot more mountains is to duplicate that set of mountains, and then a lot of times I like to just flip it, and now you don't notice that it's the exact replication of the same thing. And I'm just going to place it here. Notice where I'm placing the mountains are on top of the forest, and I want the forest in front of the mountains. So I'm going to move the sky out of the way, and I'm just going to click on the mountains and send them all the way to the back. Click on my other set of mountains, arrange back. Okay, so now they're way back there. I want the mountains on top of the grass, so I'm going to click on the grass and say arrange to the back and put the grass in the very distance. And now bring back the sky, and that is going to go behind everything, send it back. And that's exactly how I kind of want my mountains to look like. Excellent. Because we're in Colorado, our mountains a lot of times have snow on the top of that. So here's how you'd add some snow. You could simply take a triangle and reduce the size of it and, make a weight. And you could kind of call that snow, but here's a much better way of doing it. Use the pen dot tool here. And what I'm going to do is just start at the top of the mountain and just kind of click separately. Don't drag, but click and complete right here. Notice how the pen has a little circle that pops up. That completes your shape. And once you put white fill in that shape, the white caps of the mountain really do start to take form. So go ahead and kind of keep going through your mountains. The nice thing is you can give each mountain a kind of unique snow cap by just varying how you create your snow at the top of the peak. And I'll just do one more here. And fill with white. Excellent. Great, so that's kind of how you add mountains to your scenery, and that is the conclusion of movie 3.